Today, in a few minutes, we will create a Telegram bot along with a management system for this bot based on Google Spreadsheets. Using this system, you can schedule publications that will be automatically sent to your users by a bot. In the description below the video, I will leave 2 links that you will need in today's video. Follow the first link, it leads to BotFather, with which we will create your bot. After you have opened BotFather, go to the menu, click New Bot, come up with a name for your bot. Come up with a nickname for your bot. Note that it must be unique. After which your bot is ready, you will receive a message like this confirming this. The most important information that we need for further work is a token with which you can control your bot. Copy it and follow the second link that I will leave under this video. You will be taken to the page for copying the system. Click Make a Copy. On the start page after loading, select the language that suits you best. In this case, I am recording a video in Russian, so we select Russian. After that, go to the Admin Info section, find cell B22, and save your bot's token here. There are a few steps left. Go to the extension, select the app script section. All the code in the project is already ready, so we will immediately deploy the web application. Go to Deployment and select New Deployment. Select the deployment type, Web AP or Web Application. Leave deployment on your behalf in the settings and select Anyone so that everyone can deploy your web application. Then click Deploy. When you first deploy, Google will ask you for permission to automatically run scripts on your behalf. We confirm authorization. After successful deployment, copy the link to your web application and go back to the table, to the system, find cell B26, and save the link to your web application in this cell. Great, now we are ready for what is called webhook registration. Find cell B33 and copy the contents of this cell. Then open a new tab in your browser, paste the copied link, and press Enter. If the webhook is successfully registered, you will receive a similar message, after which you can close this tab. Then go to the Table Settings, Section File, Settings. Here select your location and time zone. For example, we will indicate Russia and select Moscow as the time zone. Save and update. Then go to the extension again, select Ratio Lab Script. Here you also need to change the time zone. Go to Settings and select a similar time zone table, in this case Moscow. Then go to the Trigger section and click the Create button, New Trigger. Select the Publication Content Plan function as a function. Select the time driver, minute range as the source, and select every 5 minutes. Click Save. The next step, return to the bot management system. Go to the Content Plan section. And in this section, you need to fill in the lines with your content that you want to send to users. If necessary, Fill out the message, the name of the button, the link that should open when the button is clicked, and a link to the image that will be sent along with the message. After which you select a date for each line. Let's select the current day and schedule a publication for the near future. I'll do the same with the second line. And the last thing you need to do is return to the Phaser bot and follow the link that was sent to you to go to your bot. Then click the Run or Start button. And all that remains is to wait for the time of the first publication. To make sure that your bot works, everything works perfectly. The script automatically launched, extracted information from Google Tables, and sent this message to all users of this bot. Then all you need to do is share a link to your bot with your target audience, advertise it, and use the system to manage planning the time of further publications. I'll tell you a few more points. If, for example, you want to change the starting message, which is entered in English by default, go to the project with the code, the section of its editor, and select the Telegram API file. Scroll a little lower. On line 25, a message is recorded that is sent when you click on the Start button. So here in line 25 and here in line 26, you can change the message to the language that you will use in the system. But remember that when you change the code, you will again need to deploy a new web application. Copy the link to it, save it in the admin info section in cell B26, and use cell B33 to re-register the webhook. If you don't plan to change anything in the code itself, then you will no longer need to re-register the webhook. All that remains for you is in the content section. Plan to fill out the lines and wait for the publication time. All users who are added to your bot, click on the Start button, will automatically be saved in the user section, where in column B, you will see the date and time of the user's first interaction with your bot, and in column C, the identifier of this user. That's all. Use this system. Write in the comments how you like it. If you have any questions about the video, also write them in the comments. And if you need help in developing such a system, please contact me. I will be happy to help you. Good luck with all your projects, and see you.